Well, this last cold snap here is forcing me to change things up a little bit. Um, this part that used to go underneath of the brooder and come over here was this old coop that our farm has had for 4 years now. This is its like third remodel. Anyway, I went ahead. I put chicken wire here so that the other chickens can't get to the chicks. When I get this all remodeled, I'm gonna open this up so that the chicks can come down here if they want to. They they're getting too big to be staying in that brooder all the time. If they were going out in 2 days, then I wouldn't really worry about it. But looks like they're going to be in there for at least 4, if not a week. So this should be fun. Well, first thing I gotta do is I gotta take care of this. This is the tray that slides in and out, so you can make sure it stays clean for them. Like I said, it's been here for 4 years, and it wasn't new when it came here. So, I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some pallet boards, get them cut down to size, and just go ahead and wood this out. Alright, got them all cut. They're all at 19¼ inches. Now they have a solid floor. I need to work on that ramp. Chickens can get up it, but I don't think the chicks can. I need to make some more feet for that ladder. The ladder's done. Now I just need to get some straw on the floor here, so they're not just walking around on dirt. And then after that, I gotta take down this blockade, and then I'll just let them walk down there if they want to. Alright, I got everything all set up. I just need to get the roof on this, and then they'll have this extra area all day tomorrow. I'll continue to check it all night tonight to make sure that they don't come down here and get stuck. I have to use the light on my phone to give you a visual. It's getting too dark to actually film it. But there it is. Roof is on. Got straw throughout. This I'll left open in case they want to do a dust bath. Oh, that's new. I'm drinking out of it. New bucket. Clear sight hose. One I'm building for the John Siskovich chicken tractor is going to be pimp. I want to thank you for watching. Ask that you subscribe. Leave a comment. Leave a thumbs up. Hit that bell. That way you'll be notified when I put out new videos.